Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and our today's topic is, just look here, making words with the letters N to T. Okay, so this is our today's topic, and students, just look, this is our first class of the annual term. Okay, so our annual term, the first class, actually it starts with making words with N to T. So let's start the class. Look at the board, students. Make two words with each letter. Just look, there are some letters there. On the left side there are some letters, and we have to make two words with each letter. At first, N for nose and N for nurse. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. And nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. So N for nose and nurse. Now O for orange and O for owl. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. And owl. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. So O for orange and owl. Now P for pan and pineapple. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. And pineapple. P-I-N-E, pine. Apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Pineapple. P-I-N-E, pine. A-P-P-L-E, apple. So P for pan and P for pineapple. Now Q for queen and Q for quill. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. And quill. Q-U-I-L-L, quill. Q-U-I-L-L, quill. Q-U-I-L-L, quill. So Q for queen and quill. Now R for rabbit and R for rainbow. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. And this is rainbow. R-A-I-N, rain. B-O-W, bow, rainbow. R-A-I-N, rain. And bow, B-O-W, bow, rainbow. R-A-I-N, rain. B-O-W, bow, rainbow. So R for rabbit and rainbow. Now S for sun, snail. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. And snail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. Now T for teddy and tree. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. And tree. T-R-E-E, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Students, now just look here, this is your first SW. SW number 1 is making words with N to T. That means this is our SW topic. Okay, and this is SW number 1. And students, that's all for today. Stay safe, stay well, take care. Allah Hafiz.